In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calls, notes, and emails in Hubspot. Whether you're a sales professional, a marketer, or part of a customer service team, keeping track of your interactions is crucial for maintaining strong relationships and staying organized. HubSpot's CRM tools make it easy to log and manage all your communications in one place. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, head over to HubSpot and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look for the CRM icon and click on it. This is the section where you'll manage all your data and interactions, so it's essentially the hub for everything you'll need to stay on top of your relationships. Next, within the CRM section, locate and click on the Contacts tab. The Contacts tab is where you'll manage all of the individuals or organizations connected to your business. Think of it as your virtual Rolodex, giving you access to everyone you work with in one convenient place. Now, from the list of contacts, select the contact you want to work with. Choosing a specific contact is important because it ensures that any notes, calls, or emails you log will be tied to the right individual. This way, you can keep all their information and interactions organized in one unified profile. Once you've selected a contact, navigate to the Activities section within their profile. This section is your go-to area for logging and managing all interactions related to that contact. It's where you'll document everything from quick notes to detailed call records and email communications. Let's start with notes. Within the Activities section, click on the Notes tab here. You can jot down any important details, reminders, or highlights from your interactions. For example, you might want to log key discussion points from a meeting or ideas for future conversations. Notes are invaluable for keeping track of the little things that make a big difference when building relationships. Next, move over to the Calls tab, still within the Activities section. HubSpot gives you several options here. You can log a call, schedule a call, or if your account is set up for it, make a call directly through HubSpot. If you're logging a call, be sure to include details such as the duration, the outcome, and any key takeaways. This step is essential because it ensures that all your communication details are recorded for future reference, helping you stay organized and informed. Now let's look at emails. Still in the Activities section, click on the Emails tab. From here, you can compose and send emails directly through HubSpot. What makes this feature so helpful is that every email you send will automatically be logged within the contact's profile. This way, all your communications are stored alongside your notes and call records, giving you a complete history at a glance. And there you have it. You've learned how to add calls, notes, and emails to a contact's profile in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll keep all your communications organized and ensure that no detail falls through the cracks. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.